Hey guys, my name's Evan Kinbrell and welcome to my course on lean management. Business profit and product quality at the end of the day are going to come down to one thing. Not how much money you've raised, not how many happy hours for team morale that you've run, not how many Ivy League PhDs you hire. It's going to come down to the processes you use throughout your company. When you're hiring someone or working on a new feature or even gathering feedback from customers, do you feel like you're spending every single minute in a valuable, wasteless way? Can you think of any times in those processes that you might not be doing the best, most optimized task? Chances are that you can, and that's why we're going to cover lean management in this course. Lean is a philosophy originally pioneered by Toyota and then adopted by software and even hardware companies all over the world. It helps you to cut waste, remove redundancies, focus on your customer, and critically evaluate every step in your process. Lean teams are having a ton of success, and that's why we're gonna dive into it. By the end of this course, you'll have a great understanding of the principles of lean management and production, and how to optimize a production process to maximize customer value, and why all that matters in the long run. In this course, we'll cover how you can effectively lead and improve your team using lean principles, eliminate unnecessary tasks and delays from your production process, reduce mistakes, overproduction, and overprocessing caused by your workflow, map out, analyze, and optimize your own process, build a lean culture within your organization. You'll be able to apply these ideas and best practices to your own team immediately, no matter what industry you're in. By following lean principles and the lessons we discuss, teams will thrive by eliminating waste within their workflow. So if you're ready to get started, I will see you in the first lecture.